Alright, this is BK's 2007 Nissan 350z. We're doing an exhaust demo. It's a 2.5 inch catback dual muffler Y pipe exhaust. We got it done at Mr. Muffler here in Lincoln about a week ago. We'll put a link in the description to the exact model of the exhaust. Alright, turn it on. It's got a nice deep tone. It looks really good. It was done well. It's still being broken in, so it'll sound different once it's actually fully broken in. Rev it up a little bit. Sound good.
Alright guys, we brought the exhaust demo to a parking garage so that we can get the enclosed sound kind of feel. Rev it up. Alright guys, so that's what it sounds like in an enclosed area. Again, big shout out to Doug's Mr. Muffler here in Lincoln. We'll put a link in the description to his business. And keep your eye out in the future. We're going to do a video of all the exhausts of all our group's vehicles. And that's it. So like and subscribe and watch our future videos. Thanks.